Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the email ID of your YouTube channel. The ability to do this primarily depends on your channel being linked to a Google brand account, which acts as a central hub for multiple managers. If your channel is on a personal account, you will first need to migrate it to a brand account to enable this process. We will walk through the steps to help you manage your channel's primary email address effectively and smoothly. A Google brand account is distinct from a personal Google account, allowing several people to manage a channel. This separation is key because it enables you to add or remove owners and managers, including changing the primary owner's email address. If your channel is currently a personal account, migrating it to a brand account is a necessary first step, giving you greater control over its administration and ownership details. To begin, sign into YouTube Studio using the Google account that currently owns your channel. Navigate to your Google account settings, specifically the section for brand accounts you manage. From there, you can add a new email address as a manager or owner. Once the new email has accepted the invitation, you can transfer primary ownership to it, ensuring a smooth transition. Finally, remove the old email if it is no longer needed as an owner. Before making any changes, ensure your new email account is secure and one you access frequently. It is wise to inform all existing channel managers about the upcoming email transition to prevent any confusion or access issues. After the transfer, take a moment to verify all channel settings, third-party integrations, and linked services. Always consider backing up essential channel information as a precautionary measure before executing such a significant account update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.